In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload AI images on Freepik step by step. To begin, go to Freepik, which may also be connected with Magnific, depending on the page you're using, and sign in to your contributor account. If you haven't created one yet, register as a contributor first and finish setting up your profile. This part is important because you'll need full contributor access before you can start submitting content. Once you're inside, take a moment to review Freepik's current guidelines for AI-generated content. This helps you avoid unnecessary rejections later. Pay close attention to their rules around image quality, originality, and disclosure, since AI content usually has specific requirements. After that, open your contributor dashboard. This is the main area where you manage uploads, track submissions, and check earnings. From there, click the upload option and choose images as the content type you want to submit. Now select the AI-generated images you want to upload from your computer. If the platform allows batch uploads, you can add multiple files at once, which can save time if you're submitting a collection. When prompted, make sure you clearly mark the images as AI-generated. This step matters because it helps categorize your work correctly and keeps your submission aligned with the platform's contributor policies. Next, add a title for each image. Your title should be clear, descriptive, and accurate. For example, something like Futuristic Smart City at Sunset or Abstract Neon Cyberpunk Background works well because it quickly tells buyers what the image contains. Then write a detailed description. Try to explain the main visual elements, overall theme, and concept behind the image. A strong description gives more context and improves discoverability. After that, add relevant keywords. Use terms that a potential buyer would realistically type into a search bar, such as AI, artificial intelligence, technology, futuristic, digital, innovation, business, automation, smart city, or cyberpunk. Accurate keywords can make a big difference in helping your images get found. Now choose the category that best fits the image. Depending on the content, this might be technology, business, backgrounds, nature, people, or education. Selecting the right category helps place your work in front of the right audience. Before you submit anything, review the image quality carefully. Look for blurry details, AI artifacts, distorted hands or faces, text errors, and any low-resolution areas. Even strong concepts can be rejected if the final image quality isn't clean enough. Once everything looks good and all metadata is complete, click Submit to send your images for review. After submission, keep an eye on your contributor dashboard to monitor the status of each file, whether it's pending review, approved, or rejected. If an image gets rejected, read the reason carefully, make the necessary corrections to the image or its metadata, and resubmit it if that option is available.